It's currently don't mind the background, I broke my phone. 2:10 in the morning. So happy 4th of July. But no, I was like, should I vlog the 4th of July? Cause why not? And she goes, should I vlog the 4th, aka tomorrow? Yeah. Watching this. Thanks. I'm vlogging the 4th of July, so I have to get used to holding the camera up, right, so you guys can see my face. But yeah, guys, here's the 4th of July vlog. So guys, we are at the pool. Oh my! It's a video.
Why didn't you just?
I remember all them
Say what's up to the vlog.
Yeah.
playing till my
Now
fingers
jump in there. Don't get me wet.
We'd sing
Go ahead.
songs and I'd sing
Jump in.
with you. Get drunk and go to bed.
Don't get me wet!
Looking back at all them
You got a
memories,
pumpkin head.
Lord, I hate to sleep alone. But if you ever get the notion,
Mom is currently taking forever to get up and take my pictures.
just 2 hours there, babe.
Anyway, guys.
So hold you close and kiss my skin. Singing songs you used to sing, going about the lady in the long black girl that you used to sing. Signs of what I love to hear.
This water is so cold, but it's, I don't know what I'm about to do. Somebody decided to get in the pool. So dramatic.
I remember all them winters, drinking Woodford till we
Yeah, I had to get out the pool. I was not just feeling it.
get wind about hard. Bundle up and go to town. Never worry about
So,
the
just
police.
So I'm gonna go
Never worried much at all.
figure out what I'm gonna wear tonight. I think I'm gonna wear
Miss those
these
nights
jean shorts instead. This shirt that I had on at the pool. You can't tell, it's already twisted up, which is good, and it doesn't look bad and stuff. I'm gonna try to do that, see what I can do. And yeah, I'll come back when I'm dressed.
Singing songs you used to sing, going about the lady in the long black veil. Should have seen signs of what I love to hear you well. High and lonesome, hard and strong, even if it was a little out of tune. Hotter than socks on a Jersey giant, Lord, I thought you hung. I left town when we were over, 'cause it didn't feel the same. Every back road had a memory. Hold you close against my skin. Warmth on a night so cold.
That must have
Singing songs
three
you
blue.
used to sing, the one about the lady in the long black veil. Should have seen the warning signs, but Lord, I love to hear you well. High and lonesome, hard and strong, even if it was a little out of tune. Hotter than socks on a Jersey giant, Lord, I thought you loved me.
Really?
You think it's this good?
Yeah. Rate the fireworks.
10.
How do you rate the fireworks?
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Oh, so I'm literally, wait, why is my camera dirty? Hold on. I was literally like sitting, next thing you know, the sunset's beautiful, so we're gonna go watch it. 8:45. Come on, come look at the sunset. So pretty.